Raise your hand if you hate your current alarm clock. I did too before I got Hatch Restore. Chances are if you're watching this video, you want to know if Hatch Restore is even worth it. Well, this video is in paid partnership with Hatch, but I'm going to be going through everything you need to know about this product. So be sure to check the YouTube description down below. It's linked down there. All right, let's get started. You guys have probably seen Hatch everywhere. I mean, it's all over my social media, but what actually makes it different? Well, Hatch Restore isn't just a normal alarm clock. It helps you build a more consistent sleep routine, helps you wake up more gently, and helps you unplug at night. It combines a sunset-style wind-down light, calming audio, a sound machine, and a sunrise alarm, all working together to support your natural sleep cycle. So instead of going fully simulated straight to falling asleep, it helps your body gradually transition into rest. The design is also super minimal and clean. So no matter what color you get, it blends into your nightstand and doesn't feel bulky or distracting. The color that we have back here honestly looks so good on our nightstand. And the touch controls make it really easy to use without grabbing your phone once everything is set up in the Hatch app. The biggest point is that it replaces multiple things at once: your alarm clock, sound machine, and bedside lamp. And it all works together in one system. So here's how to use it and how it looks in my everyday routine. The setup is simple. You just plug it in, connect it through Wi-Fi in the Hatch app, and it walks you through building your sleep and wake up routines step by step. You can schedule a wind down routine where the lights turn on and calming audio start to play, signaling to your brain that it's time to shut things down. It's kind of like a nudge and even sets a good vibe in your bedroom. I have mine to turn on at 9:30 p.m. every night. It starts having a purple light come on, starts playing some music, and it just reminds me that I need to relax, start reading a book, and stop scrolling on my phone. And once it starts, you don't even need your phone. You can tap the device to start your routine, adjust brightness, or turn on sounds. I did mention the wind down experience, but let's go into more detail. Once you determine your wind down time, you can choose between a wide variety of lights. Most of them are really soft and warm, almost like a sunset, and you can choose from a reading light or dynamic lights. As your routine goes on, it makes it feel a lot more natural than just flipping off your lights. And all of the audio options are designed to actually calm your nervous system too. There are standard options like white noise and nature sounds, but also sound baths, meditations, music, and more. So it's less about forcing your body to go to sleep and more about easing into it. And Hatch makes that super easy because our bodies look for those visual and audio cues to go from go mode to rest mode. You can also choose from a variety of sounds to sleep to as well, like pink noise, white noise, thunderstorms, and more. Once I'm ready to fall asleep, I just press the button to my Hatch to turn off the wind down and my white noise starts. Now I want to talk about my morning experience because this is how you're actually going to benefit from this. This is where I noticed the biggest difference. Instead of waking up to a loud jarring alarm, Restore slowly brightens your room like a sunrise before playing a sound of your choice. So you're waking up more gradually and it feels way less stressful than being jolted awake. I have mine personally set for weekdays at 5 a.m. to a purple to orange light and calming sounds, and then fun ones on the weekends. And one thing I love about Hatch is that they offer fun sounds and lights to corresponding pop culture events. They have ones from Love Island, Traitors, Survivor, and more. It's super, super fun. Now let's talk about how much it costs and what you're gonna get with it. This is super important. Hatch Restore is typically around $170, and they do run promotions throughout the year, so check out the link in the description below. It also comes with a 30-night sleep trial, a 1-year warranty, and free shipping and returns. Right out of the box, Restore comes with 5 relaxing unwind audio options, 40 science-backed sleep sounds, 20 gentle alarm sounds, and 20 circadian-backed light settings. But you can also get a 30-day Hatch Plus sleep trial for free with all of those audio options. You can also get Hatch Plus for $4.99 a month or $49.99 for a year. With Hatch Plus, the biggest difference is access to an ever-growing library of original content made for sleep. It includes 100+ unwind audio options with new content added daily, 80+ sleep sounds, 80+ alarm sounds, and 100+ light variations. So instead of just repeating the same routine every single night, you can switch it up depending on your mood. That's what I do. I have the same one throughout the week and then change it to different ones on the weekends. So honestly, I think that the Hatch Plus subscription is totally worth it. Let's wrap this video up with who Hatch Restore is gonna be best for. I think that it's great if you're trying to build a consistent nighttime routine, want a calmer way to wake up, or just struggling with winding down at night. But if you're someone who wants a more traditional alarm or you just need something simpler, this may be more than what you need. Overall, I think that Hatch Restore is so worth it. I wake up well rested and I sleep so much better since I've started using this. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Follow us on Instagram and TikTok, and I'll see you right here next time. Bye, guys.